There we go. It's working great. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be checking out the Jack and Drill door stoppers. I did purchase this product myself, and any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this item or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. You can see the retail packaging right here, just a simple baggie. This is the 15 count option. They also have a 50 count option. And we have satin nickel for our finish, but they have 4 different finish styles. Now let's go ahead, let's open them up and look at the contents. Here are all the contents. We have 15 individually wrapped door stoppers. Here's what you get in the packaging right here. So what do we have? We have our door stopper, a screw, and our mounting bracket. So you're gonna take the screw and you're gonna just install it right there. If you have a previous hole from a door stopper, or you can drill a new one, or just use a Phillips head screwdriver and you can just zap this right in the wall. Once that bracket's installed, then you're going to go ahead, you're going to take this piece you can see on the end right here. It just lines up and you just twist in place. So there you go. It's that simple. Now let's go ahead. Let's get this installed. So check it out. You can see we have everything installed right here. There we go. It's working great. So what do? Again, we just have one screw. We fasten it into our baseboard. And then you line this piece up right here, and then you just twist it in place. There we go. It's that simple. They look great, and they work great. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily, and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget, new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.